All right, we're gonna see how this work out. Today's video, I'm going to prune these roses back. I got two nice little yellow teacup roses. I'm going to prune those back, but instead of just taking the flowers and taking them off, I'm gonna dry the flowers, and I'm also going to try to make more rose bushes out of the stems. So what we got going on, I'm gonna cut these roses, I'm gonna prune them back. Hopefully this rose bush will give me some more roses. And we're also going to try to make new rose bushes out of these spent rose stems. Stay tuned. All right, I guess I'm gonna figure out a way to do this best I can. This is the stem that I want. This branch right here. That's the one I'm gonna get. I think I'm gonna cut it. Oh, man, that's got a bend in it. A bad one too. Oh well. I'm gonna cut this one back all the way back right here. Yeah, there's no way I'm gonna be able to cut this and show you guys, but I'm gonna make my cuts and I'll be right back. All right, I went and cut all three of these. You see the kind of the length of them right here. Well, still gonna be kind of hard to, video, but I'll take pictures after I get done stripping these down. I'm gonna strip all these leaves down to the flower, and then I'm gonna take the flower and actually I'm gonna take the flower, lay them out, and dry the leaves, and then I'm gonna stick those into some soil and stick them in the greenhouse. I'm gonna strip them all the way down, stick them in soil, stick them in the greenhouse, and we'll come back and see how they grow in the next video. All right, here we are. We got all three of these cut down the way I want them. Ouch, except for I didn't cut the thorns off. These are some pretty roses. I really adore these. Those are really pretty. Oh, here's another little dose of cute for you. Hi, kitties. Kitties. Hi, kitties. All right, back to the plants. Kitties made the video. How about that? I really do love these roses. So that's why I'm trying to make more of them. I only bought the parent plant of these teacup roses to make more of them. That was the only reason I got them. Getting ready to put them, scrape up the stems of them just a little bit, scrape up the stems, and we're gonna put them in some dirt and slap them in the greenhouse. All right. All right, I got them all set up. Got them all watered up, and the next step is going to put them into the greenhouse. And what I'm going to be looking for is, see this little area right here? It should sprout out a whole new leaf along every leaf node should start to sprout out a new leaf. Even on this one right here, in about 3-4 days, if everything's going correctly, we'll start seeing new growth grow out of there. And what that means is the plant is looking to generate new power plants so it can generate more roots. So we're gonna see how this works out, and I think I got this technique down to the science. There's a little one in the back. I couldn't bring myself to dump the leaves, even though the aphis kind of got a hold to it early, but still want to let it do its thing inside the greenhouse. Anyway, yeah, that's all it is to it. I'm gonna go in and take these leaves that I got from these two plants and go on and dry them out and get ready to save them. And yeah, thanks for watching.